Our oil change special right now is it's basically, we've tried to do like a set price, but there are so many different oils and filters and prices. So what we've started doing is we basically we already have kind of a low price on oil change anyway, but we basically, as a special, if you want to come in and get the special, we give you $15 off an oil change no matter what kind of oil change you have. Whether it's a Mercedes or a Toyota Celica or what have you, we give you $15 off the oil change. And honestly, we've been running oil specials since 2002. You know, when I opened, I had a $14.95 oil change that I ran for years. It's a loss leader, but it gives us an opportunity to prove ourselves to people and meet people, and hopefully make a good relationship with us and people where they want to trust us to work on their cars.